You know, how much of your money did you put into this deal?
Zero. And we've managed to raise 480,000 for this project.
So 480,000 of private investor finance. So we're back here at the guest house conversion. We are going to be giving you an update. I mean, look, you can already see the staff door is bricked up, but let's go and have a look inside. So my name is Mark Harvey. This is Steve Morley, is the head of construction at Real Life Creative Construction. So give us an update, Steve. Last time when we came, this was like we could walk through here. None of this was here. So let's walk through and give the update of this next phase of progress.
Yeah, so we're currently on the last phase of the build. We're finishing in 5 weeks' time.
Wow. Super progress. So like, just reminding people like how many rooms are we creating here?
Yeah, so we're creating 8 flats and 3 communal space and bedrooms. 11
in total. Yeah.
Sorry, no, that's wrong.
What is it then?
It's 8 in total.
8 in total. 5 apartments.
5 apartments. Sorry.
5 apartments, 3 rooms.
Yes.
5. So you're gonna have to scrub that, baby. So 5 apartments. 5 apartments. See, we have so many jobs on the go. We don't know which way we're coming or going. Yeah. So 5 apartments, 3 HMO style rooms. And so 5 weeks to go. How long have we been on it anyway?
So we've been on it for 8 weeks.
Yeah, and that was with the delay in the middle because of some structural challenges, which we'll show you how we overcome that in a minute. Okay, yeah, you want to take us up here?
Yes.
Is this natural enough? Hey, little cat, look, so little stuff like this, it makes a big difference. A bit echo, still. Yeah, it needs a bit of carpet and a bit of soundproofing in here. But last time when we came here, as you've seen before, this was all open. All of this over here, there was no plastering, no nothing. None of this stuff was in here. This pull-up bar wasn't here before. You know, where you do some pull-ups, that wasn't here. So, what's this, Steve?
So this is the 1-bedroom apartment, the biggest one of the whole site.
So it's just a bedroom here and then downstairs the living space?
Yes.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's 57 square meters in total.
That's huge, and in this desirable area, like we always got to check on the back end for, I mean, this is, you know, a job that Steve's doing for his own personal investment, but obviously the creative construction team, we always make sure that the numbers on the back end are working, because we don't want to take on jobs for people when the numbers are not working. That'd be insane.
The work that we've done, the research that we've done in this area, this 1-bedroom apartment is valued anywhere between 150,000 to 195,000. So that's from the pre-val.
And that's for re-evaluation purposes, because you're not selling these.
No, we're not selling, and we've already rented this one out, and we're renting it out for £800 a month.
Great stuff. So awesome. So like, look at the state of it, and it's already been taken already.
Yeah, and we've also had four viewings in total as well for the other self.
Good job. And what happened to the bricky here? Had the bricky been to the pub that day?
I believe so, yes. It's them like nice little quirks, I feel, that adds the extra uniqueness to this property. You know, cottage style property, but bringing a modern touch to it. So this is all isolated. This is going to be the kitchen.
This bit here?
Yeah, so the kitchen is going along the wall. We've blocked up the door now. We've going to reinstate this door, so this is all going to be sanded back and brought back to life.
I tell you what, if things ever take a turn for the worse, then we're going to not be short on accommodation. I live here.
Yeah, exactly.
In fact, what we should do is we should do the undercover property developer. We're going to live in our own properties.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Well, my mum wants this one.
So you remember last time when we came here, this was all studded out, fresh plaster. Super fresh, still wet.
Yeah, and we had the plumbing still dangling from the roof.
Oh yeah, the stuff was falling down, it was a bit all over the place. But now, yeah, look, I love a bit of wet plaster. And look how clean the site is, isn't it good? Is this going to be all covered, boarded up?
Yeah, there's going to be a door going on there so they can access the boiler, so it's all hidden. This is actually the living room for the 3-bed HMO side. and that's the main kitchen for.
So you got a living room, communal area,
Yeah.
kitchen, communal area.
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome, plenty of space. You know, some of these rooms that are on the market, their spaces are just not utilised effectively enough. That's why it's having good planning, good team, good build team in place, super important. Let's go and have a look at the three rooms are over this side, yeah?
Yes.
So let's go and have a look at the 3 rooms that would be used in this communal space here. So this is one room, but we haven't started on this yet.
No.
So that's one room. Is that going to have an ensuite?
That's already got an ensuite in, yeah.
This one, already?
Yeah,
It's
already done.
Yeah,
Already
good.
done.
This is another room.
Yeah.
So what are these rooms fetching?
So these rooms are fetching £550.
Yeah, and are they being refinanced? Is the aim to refinance them all collectively, but with the individual values to back up the comparables?
Yes, so because we're doing apartments as well as HMO, and the big apartment on the side, we've actually had to go to planning and get all titles split. But it's actually going to be valued as one thing.
But that's good, because if the title is split, then you can sell them individually.
Yes.
Yeah. Clever, Steve. Clever. The office.
Yeah. So this is where we look at the paperwork, look at invoices, look at the signing in and out sheet that we have on site.
Track and trace.
Yes. So
make sure you stay level-headed. Yeah, it's leveling it. Yeah, so this has already got an ensuite as well. So
yes.
This is actually saved on the build as well, isn't it?
Yes.
The structure or game on, man. Good job. So now where are we going?
To the first downstairs apartment.
Yeah, so this is the 3rd and final room.
So no, this is the first.
Oh, sorry,
apartment.
no, we already done the 3
Yeah,
rooms.
so
Yeah,
three
so now
rooms.
this is the next apartment.
Yes.
So they're going to access that. That front door is going to be there.
Yes.
Yeah, and then they're going to walk through this way.
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome. So then what's that?
So this is the kitchen. So this is a fully kitted out kitchen. We've gone for fully integrated, so everything's hidden. So the kitchen will go along that wall and along here. We're going to have washing machines, fridge, freezers, oven, hob, extractor and sink. So it's going to be a full kitted out kitchen.
Good, yeah. And this is going to be the ensuite.
That's the ensuite for the property, yes.
Yeah, take a look at this, like the work that goes in behind the scenes before everyone sees a nice, beautiful finished article. You know, chasing out the floor, the concrete, getting the piping in, the drainage in, getting the right fall on it. It's all super important, so you don't have any long-term maintenance issues, because it's all right if it looks nice on the surface, but if underneath the foundations, the behind the scenes is not working, it costs you lots of money. It costs you lots of money on the back end.
So this is the bedroom.
Yeah, wow. So it's good. You know, some people are doing HMO rooms just this size. Yeah, but like then obviously they have to do all of the things in the room. But like this is just being a bedroom, and they've got the other space as well. It makes it a lot more desirable, doesn't it?
Yeah. So each self-contained unit is just shy of being classed as a 1-bedroom apartment. So they're actually 29 square meters in total each one. So. Yeah, which is a shame. We just needed to hit 32 for it to be classed as actually a 1-bedroom apartment.
Yeah, so that helps with the refinance, but what is helping is the fact that the standard of the people who are going to live here is obviously high. That's what's important. Yes. And they're paying their own bills.
So like next door, for example, because it's actually classed as a 1-bedroom apartment, but for 2 occupancy, they're paying the rent and bills themselves. This side is all bills included.
Good.
We have had 4 viewings already that they've come round, and for each self-contained unit we're charging £725.
They're going to share that little entrance bit, then they're going to walk up these stairs, and then what? We're splitting into 2 directions?
Yes, yes. So
is this the door for the first one?
Yeah, so we've got 3 apartments up here. So this is going to be the kitchen diner. So what we've got is we've got the kitchen on this side, so the sink and washing machine, and then we're having a kitchen along this wall which will have the integrated fridge freezer, the hob.
Very spacious this stuff is, isn't it? And then what's in here?
And then this is going to be the bedroom.
And you know what it is? People don't really seek out how to find these little beauties tucked away, because this is such a desirable place, so close to amenities, airports, you know, town, but it's in a small village, so it's nice and desirable for that type of living, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what is this?
So this is the bedroom.
Yeah, and then in here?
That's the bathroom.
Wow, and this is nice, decent size as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and all big showers as well that are going in.
Incredible stuff. And then what's the rent and the value for that?
So the self-contained units are being valued between 72 and 89,000.
Yeah, good. And here's the thing, guys, you've got to get the correct design from inception, which is why it's so important to work with a builder, and a good builder who knows what it is they're doing, because things like this is important to tuck away so it's not taking up, you know, massive space, and that it's adequate to run, you know, a lot of the house. So how many of the places are being run off this big tank here?
Just this size, so we've actually installed 2 boilers, 2 tanks to run the whole property.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Game on.
This is new, so
chasing out, look, they love it.
Yeah, so because an old property like this with concrete floors, it's gave us very good challenges.
The sink's going in. You know how I know the sink's going in? Because it says sink. Very well coordinated.
Yeah, so this is actually the kitchen living area. So the kitchen is going to run all along this wall. We're having the dining room tables and chairs just behind you in front of the window, so you get all that natural light. And then we've got an ensuite and a bedroom as well.
Is that blade sharp?
Yeah, you need the file to sharpen it.
Why?
No, I'm joking.
That's it. Look, touch it. Is it sharp?
No.
It's not even plugged in.
No, I'm not touching it. You'll make me jump.
Why would I do that?
I learned my lesson.
What happened?
You make me jump every time.
Well, you never touched this before. What are you calling it? Are you keeping it as a guest house?
I've named it after my granddad, because he was in the building trade and everything.
Was his name Aladdin?
No.
Because it's like Aladdin's cave, it just keeps going on and on and on. What was his name?
We're naming it Cottage.
Carbo?
Yeah.
That was his first name?
No, that's his last name. His first name's Tony.
Oh, okay, so when we came here last time, none of this was here.
Yes.
Yeah, none of this was here, so now this is going to be the shower, yeah? And the ensuite room.
Yes.
And then what's this?
This is the kitchen living area.
And this is the bed?
Yeah, that's the bedroom. And I've just checked the colour scheme today for the kitchen and the walls and stuff like that as well, just to make sure that it all goes and all matches. It's this big rock, We've been shaving the builders, that's what that is.
Shaving them? That's illegal gambling, never skim the table. You need to somehow put your phone out that window and catch them. Bang! Fuck you! Did you get it?
Kind of.
So all in all, what's the overall value, Steve, of the refinance that you're going for, and what's the cash flow after that refinance?
So we've got the overall value anywhere between 685,000 to 735,000, and we're net profit cash flow of £5,000 a month.
Game on. Most people, they're going to watch things like this and they're going to be like, oh, okay, yeah, Steve and Mark, yeah, you got this construction company, you know what it is that you're doing. You know, obviously got your money to be able to buy places. I don't have any money, I don't have any experience. That's what some people are going to be like when they watch this. But Steve, please tell me, you know, how much of your money did you put into this deal?
Zero.
Zero. So how did you do that?
We raised finance from our investors. And we've managed to raise 480,000 for this project. So
480,000 of private investor finance, which normally would be the cash. If you want to do this yourself, what you'd have to put into it. But it's privately raised, and then the rest of it is from the bank.
Yes, no, we've used all investor finance to purchase the property and do the build.
You kidding me? The whole thing is 480?
Yeah.
You purchase and that?
Yeah.
Game on. Don't even need any money from the bank. Yeah, so if you want to stay up to date with these type of projects and get more insights to these deals so you can go out there and get them for yourself, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep a track of the progress on this project and many other projects as well.